Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best sales funnel builder platforms available today. In this video, we will explore complete sales funnel automation software that can transform how you capture leads and convert them into paying customers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup, understanding these platforms will help you make the right choice for your business. A sales funnel is a structured journey that guides your potential customers from the moment they discover your business all the way through to making a purchase and becoming loyal customers. It starts with awareness, where you attract visitors through marketing. Then comes the interest stage, where you engage your audience and build trust. Next is the decision stage, where prospects are ready to evaluate your offer. Finally, there's the action stage, where they make the purchase and you can build lasting customer relationships. Think of it like a filter that narrows down your prospects at each stage, focusing on those most likely to buy. Modern funnel builder platforms share several essential features that make sales automation possible. First, there's a drag and drop builder that lets you create professional pages without any coding knowledge. Second, email automation handles follow-up sequences automatically, keeping your leads engaged. Third, built-in analytics and tracking give you real-time insights into how your funnel is performing. Fourth, payment processing is integrated directly, so customers can purchase seamlessly. Fifth, these platforms connect with other tools through integrations, like your email provider or customer relationship manager. Finally, all pages are mobile responsive, ensuring your customers have a great experience on any device they use. ClickFunnels is a complete all-in-one platform designed to handle your entire sales funnel from start to finish. It comes with built-in email marketing, so you can automate your follow-up campaigns right within the platform. ClickFunnels is best suited for digital product creators and entrepreneurs who need to build complex, multi-step sales funnels with high-volume automation. If you're selling online courses, digital products, or services, and you need everything integrated into one system, ClickFunnels is an excellent choice. ClickFunnels comes packed with powerful features to build and optimize your sales funnels. The Funnel Builder offers over 100 pre-built templates covering every type of funnel you might need, from lead capture to product sales. Email automation is built in, allowing you to create sequences, run split tests, and set up follow-up campaigns automatically. The platform includes order forms with one-click upsells, downsells, and bump offers, meaning you can increase customer value with each purchase. Finally, the analytics dashboard provides real-time funnel tracking and gives you insights to optimize your conversion rates continuously. Leadpages is a focused landing page builder designed specifically for quick lead capture and conversion. Unlike all-in-one solutions, Leadpages specializes in making it easy to create high-converting landing pages fast. It's best suited for small businesses and solopreneurs who need to launch campaigns quickly without complexity. Leadpages is perfect if you want simple, affordable funnel setup without the learning curve of more complex platforms. Leadpages offers a streamlined set of features focused on fast results. The platform provides over 150 mobile-optimized landing page templates that you can customize in minutes. It includes pop-ups and lead capture forms with exit intent offers that trigger when visitors are about to leave. Leadpages integrates with popular email services, customer relationship management systems, and webinar platforms, so your leads automatically flow into your other tools. The platform also includes built-in split testing, allowing you to test different versions of your pages and see which one converts better. Unbounce is an advanced platform that combines landing page building with artificial intelligence to help you create smarter, more personalized customer experiences. It's designed for data-driven marketers and agencies who want cutting-edge technology to maximize conversions. Unbounce stands out by focusing on personalization and dynamically changing page content based on visitor behavior. If you need advanced targeting capabilities and want artificial intelligence to help optimize your campaigns, Unbounce is built for that purpose. Unbounce includes several innovative features powered by artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence copywriter generates optimized page copy, and provides suggestions to improve your messaging. Dynamic content personalization changes what visitors see based on their behavior and source, creating a tailored experience for each person. The platform includes advanced analytics with heat maps that show where visitors click, session recordings, so you can see exactly how people interact with your pages, and conversion insights that reveal what's working. Finally, native integrations with customer relationship management systems and email platforms are built directly into the platform, eliminating the need for third-party connections. Now that you understand the key features of these three platforms, here's how to choose the right one for your needs. ClickFunnels is ideal if you need full-featured automation, want to build complex multi-step funnels, are selling digital products, or need upsells and downsells included. Leadpages is best if you want quick lead capture with minimal complexity, need an affordable solution, prefer pre-built templates, or you're a solopreneur just starting out. Unbounce works best if you want artificial intelligence-powered optimization, need advanced personalization and targeting, require detailed analytics, or have enterprise-level needs. The key is to test each platform and choose based on your budget, the specific features you need, and how well it integrates with your existing tools. Remember, the best platform for you is the one that matches your current business stage and goals.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.